straight head up to Livingston. Got 26 pallets, a little bit boring for you today, I'm afraid. I know the A1's had loads of problems, northbound moped though overran last night from resurfacing, and unfortunately it rolled on to like 9 o'clock this morning, caused no end of problems. Well done. And there was an accident not too far when I joined, a little bit around the Metro Centre way, which was causing chaos as well a little bit earlier. It has been cleared, but they said the tailback was 7 mile. That was about an hour ago. It's 10:30 now, starting at 10. Not too bad. We'll see if I have any better luck. I will catch you guys up the hill! Woohoo! Getting left behind by a tractor doing 52. Aye. Zero traffic going past the Metro Centre. All cleared up, lovely. Then 10 o'clock in the morning starts, it's like the golden hour. Quite a lot of road closures tonight though. Ord on the A1 up by Berwick, that's closed at the bridge, 8 PM. But imagine what they're doing, it's here where start the roadworks. Might be shut at 8 o'clock tonight as well also. We shall see. Wow, an hour and a half today in Tesco's. My booking time was 2 o'clock. I got to the gate at 5:02. It took 15 minutes just to get through the gate because the crew changed time. It's not their fault, it's just timing sucks, you know. An hour and a half in there. There's a guy who's one of my subscribers. Sorry I didn't get your name, mate. Spotted me getting my coffee in my sarnie. I think he works for JHP. So yeah, nice meeting you. And then as I was walking back to my truck, another one of my subscribers coming down there, so it's quite strange. Brilliant, like. But I'm not shy. Come and say hi and have a big crack, no problem at all. It's Lothian produce. What's this guy do? What's your plan, mate? What is your plan? What is your plan? Sometimes this is. Why did she think it was alright to stop there in the first place? Wow. Hey ho. I must update my Facebook status. Get off it. ETA 4:25 for East Lothian produce. I don't know what I'm picking up, how much. It's normally been overspill that I've been getting lately, like 6 to 12 pallets. It's nice to see they're busy again, East Lothian. Sprouts are in. You know what that means, onion? Yep, I'm not even going to say it. Shouldn't be too much of an issue with the traffic. It'll be a little bit snotty, but nothing. I think it will be in 1 hour, an hour and a half's time. We'll be awful, but I'm going to get away with that. I'm hoping I get through everywhere that's going to be shut tonight on the A1. I've got a day off tomorrow. I've seen we've had a few off, like, but it's just how it's working. I'm off tomorrow, then I'm in for 3. only want to do 4 this week. I got feedback, you know, I passed my first part of my exam, that I definitely think it's the toughest bit, got that done, and I've got, it's called an operations manual that I have to put in. It's insane, it really is, like the amount of stuff in it, but the law's a law. So I've been doing that. I had 3 days last week just absolutely battered into it, and I mean literally 3 full days working on it, and I knew it wasn't finished, I knew it wasn't complete, but I wanted to send it in for proofreading to the company who I'm going through for my training, and just really to see if I'm on the right track. So I was expecting loads of must try harder and all that malarkey coming back, you know. I didn't really, it gone into another email. It wasn't sent as a new email, it sort of was attached when it came back, so I didn't notice I'd got it until just yesterday. I was gutted. It'd been sat, the lads had turned it around that quick, and it had been sat for 4 days. I was kicking myself. Anyway, I opened it up expecting the worst, and lo and behold, I've nearly done it. There's very little work to do on it, and I'll imagine tomorrow I'll have all that sorted, and then it's phase 3, which will be the flight test. CA guy comes down or something like that, all that jazz. So nearly there. Like I said, I'm not giving the driving up. It just would be nice if I could do less of it and more commercial work, aerial photography, videography, etc. There's a big market out there. Currently get my website designed, and I have got my eye on another drone, high end. It's fortunes, so I need to get things sorted first with other stuff. Get the website done, and then just crack on. I've got another project on the go as well. Hopefully that'll help fund what I need for this drone. You'll get there, gotta try, haven't you? Anyway, like Ken Herring, Mr. Herring, and he's an American vlogger who does videography, photography for a living. Got an email from a guy, donated him a brand new, top of the range, Inspire 2 drone. You're looking at £7,000. And he thought he was getting wound up in this guy, true to his word. Next thing, UPS turned up outside his house, 3 boxes of stuff, and there it was. Anyway, my driving score's sat at 98%. I was trying to get up to 99 going into Livy like I did last week. I got to Livy 99%, and I was getting close, and I ended up going in on 95%, but from leaving Livy to here I crept it back up, and now I'm currently sitting at 98%. So it'll be interesting to see once I finish my shift what my score will be on that. Well, whatever it's called, the app. I'll get all the proper details, and I will do it properly. I will give you the rundown on this app that I'm using now through the company. I don't think it picked up that Merc I was driving the other day. I had a little look at my score, and it hasn't moved from where I moved up at 100 places. like ran in like a B, and it said I'd done 3 harsh break-ins. Kinda could argue with a couple of them, like. I had a little look there while I was sitting in the waiting room, and it doesn't come on. I would imagine that it updates once you've finished your shift. You take your card out, then it goes on. It's not like a live score, which is probably a good thing, I would imagine. And I'm quite obsessed with it. I'm currently working off the one that's built into the Scania G450 again. Some big tractor shows some heavy machinery gig on its Dunbar area. Just as you go around one of the roundabouts, you see them all in there setting up. So I think that's could be for this weekend, I would imagine. I don't know. 5-star again, but it didn't move off 98. Half an hour to get to the A1 from Tesco's. Absolutely love it. So another thing it picks you up on as well, over accelerating. Not last week, the week before, like you can go back to quite a bit, and it said I'd over accelerated 5 times. Like, and it was going across, well, the Sunderland Highway was one of them, going up the back, one on the A69, edge to the north, always, and 2 or 3 on the 720. Like, over accelerating. Okay, so I'm even now like gently going on. So it is working. It is improving my driving. It's like having a teacher by your side, really. Yeah, 24 minutes past 4. Less than an hour. 5 PM. That's me, done. Thought it was going to be a full load. I've been coming in for the overspill the last couple of times. And when I went in there, they said, oh, I think it's a full load, but 2/3. Great day, great shift. ETA back to the yard, 10 to 8, so that means I'm going to miss all the road closures. That's the only thing I was thinking about. I know, like I said earlier on, the bridge is going to be closed at Berwick tonight at 8 PM. and a bit further down, I'm not 100%, but the one that overran this morning on the A1 by Morpeth area, that might well be closed again. I don't know, just guessing on that one, but I'll be through anyway. There you go. That is how it can be. Wind's picked up again, I've noticed, quite substantially. Steady on. Very smooth run today, like 7 o'clock now. Getting dark as you can see. I've got another half an hour before I get back in the yard. Like I say, I'm off tomorrow. I've got to go and check my lobster pots in the morning. We were in there yesterday and it was, even though the tide was out, the waves were coming up. Have a look at this. Look at this one. That would have been mint if you were there. Sorry.
It'll be bigger when the tide turns.
Massive, mate. Didn't catch snow. Hey ho. We might get something tomorrow. I got word that Jackie's now up at hospital and back home. Please that you're on the mend, Jackie. Let us know how you're getting on, let everybody know. And I'll talk to you all soon. Thanks for watching.